Danner, Tech, Danner, Tech, Danner, Danner, Tech, Danner, Tech, Danner. Hello, this is Danner Tech. Okay, so now what you need to do is after you get these wires onto the pieces of wood at the end, you need to put a little spring. This will keep tension inside the piece of hot wire while it cuts. So I have this little piece of string from a mechanical pencil, and it is tied to both ends of the nichrome wire. So that way when I connect it to a battery, it'll heat up. Now if I were to connect this device straight up to this battery without any protection, it would cause the nichrome wire to have too much current flow through, and it would overheat and burn up like this. Luckily, if you put a 1 ohm resistor right here, it seems to fix the problem because it limits the current flowing through the piece of nichrome wire. So I'll just connect my foam cutter up to this battery. I'll connect one leg to the one end of the resistor. And I'll connect one leg to the other terminal of the battery, and we can see it light up. Here is the foam cutter. So as you can see, if I connect it up to the battery, the wire starts to glow red hot in the middle. Now, even though it's kind of hard to see on the camera, it's glowing red hot. Now this red hotness can be used to cut foam, such as this giant foam mattress. And because it's the perfect size, I can put it all around the mattress. As you can see, you can easily remove the plastic piece. It looks really cool. You can see that it made a perfect job cutting through the foam, and it looks really nice. As you can see, this device works extremely well. It's super great at cutting foam, and it's an overall really good build. So, as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next time.